The reason why we have law of sine and law of cosine is that the trig ratio only takes care of right triangle. So anything that is not a right triangle, the trig ratio doesn't care. The trig ratio will not be applied or cannot be used in solving the triangle. So in order to get started, we have to just draw a triangle. Just draw any triangle. It doesn't really matter the shape. So we just do a triangle and we label it A, B, and C. Once you have, you label it, you can give it some side. You give it some side. What do you think we can use as AB? Give me a number. Let's just use small numbers. Let's use small numbers, okay? So that we can do mental mathematics. So just let's say this one is 7. Let's just say that this one is 7. It works both for small numbers and large numbers. So let's say this is 7 and this is 5 and this is 5. So we don't know this angle. We don't know this angle. So we can call it theta. So now let's see. In law of sine, the first thing you do is you write the formula. The law of sine has a formula. So let's write down the formula. The formula of law of sine says that the side A divided by sine of A is equal to the side B divided by sine of B is equal to the side C divided by sine of C. That's the formula. Now, what that means is you can use a combination of any of the two. You can use A and B, or you can use B and C, or you can use A and C, depending on what is given to you. So now in this type of triangle that we have, we actually don't know the side A. So this is small a now. This is small a, while this is small b, and this is small what? C. Okay. So let's see. We have to have at least one angle. So let's give this angle theta. Let's give it a number in degree. So I will erase that and give me a number in degree. Let's see.
47.
What?
47.
40 what?
47.
Okay, let's use 47. Let us use 47 he suggested. 47, that should be 47 degrees. Okay, so now that's our angle. Now let's try it. If we say A over sine A, that means A over sine 47 equal to, this is A, not 9. B, what is B? B over, B is 5. So B is 5. So we just write B, which is 5. 5 over sine B equal to, what is C? C is 7. 7 over sine what? C. You can see that you can use either a combination of A and B or A and C. So now if we are using a combination of A and B, you will discover that you have two missing variables. You have two missing variables. You have A missing, you have sine B missing. So we have to give sine B an angle. So give me another angle for sine B. Okay, you said 13. Let's try it. Okay, let's use something that is closer to this number that we have. You can call it something like 50 degrees. All right? All right, so now let's try it. So now A over sine 47 equal to 5 over sine 50 degrees. So then you use cross multiplication. So A is going to be 5 multiplied by sine 47 divided by sine 50 degrees. Sine 50 degrees. So that's A. Then you grab your calculator. Use if your cell phone works, use it. You grab your calculator, you punch in the number. You say 5 multiplied by, you press your sign button and type 47, and you close the parentheses. You hit enter key, and then you divide it by sine 50 degrees. Close the parentheses, you hit enter key. That gives us 4.77. So A is equal to, you can say 4.8. By the way, it can be centimeters. Let's say it's centimeters. It can be centimeters. It can be inches. It can be whatever. So this is centimeters. So A is, now let me use another column. A is 4.8. 4.8 centimeters. Okay. Now, question becomes, you see, now we have the side A, we have angle B, and we have this. So how do we get angle C? How do you get angle C? 0.6. So you have that this is 1.0665, and that's sine C. So C should be sine inverse of 1.0665. So try it and see what it gives you. I wish everybody has a TI-84 calculator now. Please add it to your supply list. If you can't get the school one, if you can afford it, please, it's highly recommended that you have one. And I was told that there's a demo, there's a simulator version that can be used in your computer. Okay, now here's another way. I'm going to address the error. I'm also getting an error message right now. So, but here's another way to go around it. I'm going to address the error in the next class. But here's another way to go around it. Since this is a triangle and now you have two angles, so you can just use the other method to get the angle. Use the other method, which is use angle A plus angle B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So since we have B is 50, you have 50, and A is what?
47 degrees.
A is 47, so you have 47 plus C is equal to 180. So what is 47 plus 50 should give us what?
97.
97 plus C is equal to 180, and therefore C is 180 minus 97, which should give us what?
83.
All right, so C is 83 degrees.